Where's Mommy? Mommy, what are you doing up there? Oh goodness, are you hiding from the babies? Hey Mama. She's hiding from her babies. Oh my goodness. Babies. You're so cute. Hey, Mommy. You're a good girl. Good morning. Good morning, my darlings. Good morning. Good morning. Oh my goodness, it's early. Is it early? See, I woke up my babies. Oh my goodness, did I wake? You look so sleepy. Yes. I'm sorry. I woke you up. Oh, you woke up. You woke us up. Oh my goodness. You were sleeping babies. You're sleeping beauties. Oh, you're so cute. We're just good babies. Oh, we're so cute. Oh my goodness, we're so cute. You're so cute. Well, are you the most handsome man in the world? Hi, buddy. Kitty in the window. You're not cute. You're not cute. Spot. Oh my goodness, he sees a bird. Get that bird. Get that bird. Get that bird. Is that a bird? Hey, babies. You're so cute. Oh, you're gorgeous. See, I like to watch the cars and the people. Good boy. Oh, you're... I'm gonna chew my paper. My favorite thing to do is chew my cardboard. Thirston, quit picking up Wilson. He's hiding from me. Stop it. Be nice. Hey, ouch! Stop it! You're such a mean bird. You're vicious. You're just so bad.